Hey guys, this is Yogesh from Online Marketing. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now, the couple of things I can tell you about yourself that you guys are open-minded and you guys like to take action, and that's the person I'm looking for. Somebody who's open-minded and action-oriented. Now, before you guys go ahead and get going on your training and all that, I just want to take a couple of minutes to tell you a little bit more about myself and what kind of help I can provide you guys to help you get going on this business. So if you look at in this video, either the right or the left side, there are a couple of other extra bonuses that is stacked for you guys, and you guys, I want you to guys to take advantage of that bonuses. And now the other thing I want to tell you about is if for someone who who likes me to do all the hard work for you. So there's a button at the below this video. There's a customized coaching call where I'll sit down and help you out for an up to an hour for help you with your customizing this business for yourself. Now, what will this do to you is it will be less stressful for you. It'll be a lot more easier, and you get the things going within a few hours or so, and you'll have this business up and running. The shorter the time it is, better it is for you. Now, for somebody else that they like to do everything by themselves, great, no problem. And if you need me to help you out a little bit, there's another button below where you can connect with me on Messenger and ask me any question at all. So now that's been said, I just want to tell you a little bit more about what's the background of myself, and a little bit more about what I have on there. So this is uh, the earnings, that the actual earnings that you can get that you can get from promoting the uh, ClickFunnels. So that's the first software that we'll be promoting as affiliate marketing. So the affiliate marketing, what it is basically you're promoting digital products for the company where they have done all the hard work, they have done everything. So you're promoting this for the people that who are looking for. ClickFunnel is for somebody who is looking to get going on the online business. Anything they need regarding their online business, ClickFunnel will help them out. Will be a sales, will that be taking leads and anything, etc. So this is just the earning page, and if you look at it on Thursday, April 5th, it's about $85. Now the and Friday 155, Saturday I made about 116, Sunday about 75, and then Monday there's nothing, $0. And I look at it Tuesday, a little bit more over than $300, and today so far it's about $240. So this is the real earning that you can potentially get from ClickFunnels by promoting their products. Now, what will that do is, if you put all the hard work at the start of the business and have it up and running, you'll be on your ways to making a passive income. What passive income is, it's whether you work or not, you're making money on automation 24 hours. So whether you work or not, if everything else is set up correctly, you'll be making money, where you'll have, you'll click on it, your life and earnings, and you look at, you made money. And that's where I'm going to help you out there, for those people who wants a coaching call with me. If not, great. If you look at below there, everything is set up for you. Now it is 7 different training videos done for you. All you got to do is take it step by step, go through the training, and you'll have the business up and running. Now, just a disclaimer before you go is some of the steps where you need to sign up for a couple of softwares, and some of them are free and some of them are on trial basis. So trial basis mostly 14 days trial. So within the next 14 days, if you have everything else set up, and you'll find out if this is what you're looking for. If you're the person who is looking for a passive income, who wants to make money, whether they're working or not, and want to have a quality of life better than what it is right now. So I'm talking to the right person. So what I suggest is go ahead, take advantage of every bonuses and every training and anything I provide for you. Now, for those people who are action oriented, take advantage of my coaching call. We'll get everything else set it up within an hour or so. I'll go on phone call with you one-on-one and help you out to set up this business. Now, all you need to do is go below and get going on your business. Thank you.